Folks, we're out here at Fat Guy Flies RC, out at the cow field, and we're going to fly the Parkzone Sport Cub. There's my wonderful wife over there with my other planes and my truck, and the chickens over there by the cow trailer. And let's just see what we can do. I'm running a 1300 3-cell in there, the one that's recommended with the plane. Actually, this is the one that actually came with this plane. When you buy a Parkzone bind and fly, they come with a battery. That's the difference between a bind and fly basic and bind and fly. I got a lighter pack in there, so I need a little bit of down elevator. I'm used to running with a 2200, so maybe I got a little too much down elevator. Yeah, that's better. Let me get her a little closer to us. A little bit of a knife edge there. You can see she'll do a knife edge all day long. She'll fly inverted, no problem. And she lands pretty too. Actually, let's take off. Come back here a little bit where we can see you. Okay, the wind is basically coming straight at me now. So let's take off into the wind there. Get turned around here. Well, sort of into the wind. And there we go. Wind is starting to pick up now, unfortunately. There, just about hover there. Whoa, whoa, that didn't come out too well, did it? Let's see if we can't get a little bit better of a landing. There. That's much better. Much better. Okay. Alright, well anyways, there's the Parkzone Sport Cub S2. My Parkzone, good little plane, one of my favorites. This is the, I've actually purchased this plane 4 times. I have 2 of them. This is the second one that I've got right now. The first 2 I lost in woods years ago. So anyways, I love the plane so much I ended up buying it twice, actually 4 times. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you're watching Fat Guy Flies RC.